Hello students, how are you? Hope so you are well and safe at home. So today on 1st of October, day Thursday, for class 12 chemistry, for aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid chapter, we have the continued topic, that is preparation of aldehyde and ketones. So in the last video we have done the topic of how can we prepare aldehyde and ketones simultaneously. Clear? Now today we start the individual preparations for aldehydes and for ketones. Okay, so now we start the preparation of aldehydes. Topic is preparation of aldehydes. First of all, we form aldehydes by acid chlorides. What are acid chlorides? Acid chloride means RCOCl. Acid chloride means RCOCl. Clear? So RCOCl, that is acid chloride, and the IUPAC system it is known as alkanoyl chloride. It is also known as alkanoyl chloride. So this alkanoyl chloride convert into aldehydes. Clear? In place of we can use here aromatic ring. Clear? That is benzoyl chloride is also okay. So if we have benzene COCl, that is benzoyl chloride. It is known as benzoyl chloride. So this benzoyl chloride undergoes reduction. Clear? In presence of PDBaSO4. Somewhere we can use in place of PD, PT is also. Okay? So PT or the PD with barium sulfate. And this benzoyl chloride is present in the xylene. Xylene behaves as a solvent. Xylene behaves as a solvent. Okay? So benzoyl chloride dissolved in xylene in presence of PDBaSO4 or with the sulfur or quinoline. And these are the two poison catalysts. These are behaves as the poison. Clear? So this is a poison catalyst. Okay. So this benzoyl chloride convert into benzaldehyde, means this COCl will be converted into CHO group. Clear? So any one of the alkanoyl chloride or any one of the aromatic COCl easily convert into CHO or the aldehydes in presence of the PDBaSO4 and sulfur as a quinoline. What is the role of this sulfur? Sulfur have tendency to resist this aldehyde to convert into alcohols, means it prevent further reduction of aldehydes. Clear? अगर हम सल्फर का एक क्लोरीन का यूज नहीं करेंगे तो ये जो एल्डिहाइड रिड्यूस होके बना है किससे, COCl से, ये एल्डिहाइड फर्दर रिड्यूस हो जाएगा और कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा अल्कोहल्स में. तो अल्कोहल्स तक रिएक्शन ना जाए उसके लिए हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? अ पॉइजन. दैट पॉइजन इज अ सल्फर और quinoline. Clear? And this reaction means conversion of any of the acid chloride into aldehydes in presence of the PDBaSO4 and sulfur. This reaction is known as Rosen-Mund reaction. Rosen-Mund's reduction. Clear? So this is the binding reaction. क्लियर? तो बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन दोनों तरीके से बोल सकता है, कन्वर्जन की फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है और डायरेक्ट बाइनरी रिएक्शन भी आ सकती है कि राइट द रोजन-मुंड रिडक्शन. क्लियर? सो ये रोजन-मुंड रिडक्शन. ओके. और हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में हो कि किसी भी एरोमेटिक रिंग पे या किसी भी एलिफेटिक कंडीशंस पे क्या हो, COCl प्रेजेंट हो, वो आपसे कन्वर्ट किस में करा रहे हैं उसको, CHO में कन्वर्ट करवा रहे हो तो हम इस मेथड से किसमें कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, COCl को CHO में कन्वर्ट करा सकते हैं. दैट इज द फर्स्ट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ aldehydes. Clear? Now the second one from nitriles. What is nitriles? Nitriles means cyanides. Means when CN group is directly attached by the carbon chain or the CN group is directly attached by the benzene ring. So this nitrile convert into aldehyde. And there are two different methods. One method that denotes to conversion of cyanides to aldehyde in presence of SnCl2 plus HCl means stannous chloride plus hydrochloric acid. And the second method is conversion of nitriles to aldehyde in presence of DIBAL means diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Clear? So one by one we will study here. So the second is from nitriles. What are nitriles? Nitriles means that contain the CN group. Clear? So see here, what is the first method? First method is known as Stephan reaction. Stephan's reduction. So in Stephan reduction, nitriles, that is R, C triple bond N in presence of SnCl2 plus HCl. Actually these two reagent SnCl2 plus HCl, when they combine and they convert into nascent hydrogen, this hydrogen reduced to these two carbon and nitrogen, means this hydrogen added on carbon atom and on nitrogen atom and convert into R bond C H double bond NH, means one pi bond will be added by hydrogen atom, and the conversion of this nitrile into imine, these compounds are known as imines, IMINE, imine. Clear? So this nitrile or the cyanides convert into imine by the reduction. Now this imine undergoes hydrolysis in presence of the HIN or the acidic medium. Okay, and from this side is in between the CH or NH, the bond will be cleavage and convert into aldehyde group, RCHO. Clear? So any one of the nitrile can be converted into aldehyde in presence of SnCl2 plus HCl. Clear? Firstly they convert into imine and further undergoes hydrolysis in presence of the acidic medium and convert into aldehyde. Clear? And this method is known as Stephan reduction. So the same carbon nitriles convert into the same carbon of aldehyde. For example, if we have CH3 CN, means this is methyl cyanide, this compound is methyl cyanide, or in the IUPAC system we can say this is ethane nitrile because two carbons are here. It is also known as ethane nitrile. So this ethane nitrile firstly convert into CH3 CH double bond NH in presence of SnCl2 plus HCl. Clear? So SnCl2 HCl reduces this triple bonded carbon nitrogen bond, and then this imine convert into, after hydrolysis, CH3 CHO. Clear? So the number of carbon in the nitrile is 2 and the number of carbon in the aldehyde is also 2, means there is no change in the carbon, means there is no ascending condition and there is no descending condition, means carbon के number same रहते हैं. Clear? So simply we can say this nitrile convert into aldehyde. एक्चुअल में ये क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है स्टीफन रिएक्शंस का, रिडक्शन की फॉर्म में भी क्वेश्चन पुटअप होता है, लेकिन एक कन्वर्जन है. क्लियर? उस कन्वर्जन से भी क्वेश्चन पुटअप होता है. कन्वर्जन स्टार्ट होता है लेसर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स, और लेसर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम की स्टार्टिंग होती है हेलो एल्केन से. सपोज क्वेश्चन इज हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट मिथाइल क्लोराइड टू इथाइल साइनाइड. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट इनटू मिथाइल क्लोराइड टू इथेन नाइट्राइल और मिथाइल साइनाइड. So question is how can we convert methyl chloride to methyl cyanide or ethane nitride. Clear? This is the question is in this compound that is CH3Cl, methyl chloride single carbon is here. In case of CH3Cl there are two carbons. Okay, so how can we convert CH3Cl to CH3Cn and how can we increase one carbon atom? Okay, so firstly CH3Cl when reacted with KCl, potassium cyanide, we know that in the first chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes, any one of the RX when reacted with KCl, this undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Clear? So this cyanide ion behaves as a nucleophile and attacks on this carbon atom. Okay, so this CH3Cl firstly convert into CH3Cn. Clear? Okay, so this is the question, how can we convert CH3Cl to CH3CHO? Means one carbon haloalkanes converted into two carbons aldehyde. So firstly this CH3Cl converted into CH3Cn, and now on this CH3Cn, that is methyl cyanide, we use Stephan reaction. Okay, we use there Stephan reduction, that is reaction with SnCl2 plus HCl followed by hydrolysis, and this CH3Cl converted to CH3CHO. So by this method we can increase one carbon atom. Clear? Okay, so this is the part of Stephan reduction. So by Stephan reduction we can convert nitriles to aldehyde but with the same number of carbon atoms. The second method for the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles in presence of Debal. Second method, that is B. Any one of the nitrile, that is R, C triple bond N, R, C triple bond N, in presence of the Debal, DIBAL. H. What is DIBAL? That is di-isobutyl aluminium hydride. So what is the meaning of the Debal? Debal means di-isobutyl aluminium hydride. Clear? And this behaves as a reducing agent. Di-isobutyl aluminium hydride behaves as a reducing agent, and this reducing agent reduces C triple bond N into CHNH. Means in this equation amines also forms. Clear? Like that in case of the Stephan reactions. In Stephan reaction there was also the formation of imine. Clear? In the same way, if we used in place of the SnCl2, we used here Debal. Clear? So this nitride firstly converted into imine. Okay, and now this undergoes hydrolysis in the same manner and convert into the same number of carbon atom that contain same number of carbon atom with function group aldehydes. So simply we can say nitriles convert into aldehydes by the two methods. One is in presence of SnCl2 plus HCl like reducing agent, and the second one reducing agent like Debal. Clear? So what is the difference between these two? Actually Debal have tendency to prevent the multiple bond in between the C bond C. Clear? But it can reduces C triple bond N. डिबाल की प्रॉपर्टी है कि जो डिबाल रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है वो कार्बन कार्बन के बीच का जो डबल बॉन्ड है, कार्बन कार्बन के बीच के जो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, ये उसको रिड्यूस नहीं कर पाता. क्लियर? और किसको रिड्यूस कर देता है? ये रिड्यूस कर देता है C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N को रिड्यूस कर देता है. दैट इज द प्रॉपर्टी. क्लियर? इसलिए अगर कहीं पे किसी भी नाइट्राइल में साथ में उसके पास कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड का फीचर भी है तो उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं? फिर डिबाल का यूज करते हैं. दैट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ special property of Debye. Clear? So this is the method of formation. This is the method formation of aldehydes by nitriles. Now we use the third method, that is from hydrocarbons. A number of aromatic hydrocarbons can be easily converted into aldehydes, and they undergoes oxidation process. अभी तक जो हमने मेथड स्टडी किए हैं aldehydes फॉर्म करने के, वो रिडक्शन मेथड थे. चाहे हमने एसिड क्लोराइड का रिडक्शन किया हो, क्लियर, ये हमने नाइट्राइल का रिडक्शन किया है. लेकिन अब हम ऐसे टॉपिक की स्टडी कर रहे हैं जहां पर ऑक्सीडेशन के बाद में क्या फॉर्म होंगे? एल्डिहाइड्स. एंड दिस मेथड इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. क्लियर? एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. So we have the next third method from hydrocarbon. Clear? So there are a number of chemical reactions. The first method, oxidation of methyl ketones. Oxidation of methyl benzene. Oxidation of methyl benzene. We very well know about this compound. What is methyl benzene? Methyl benzene is also known as toluene. Methyl benzene is also known as toluene. Clear? So toluene undergoes oxidation. Toluene undergoes oxidation by two different methods and they convert into benzaldehyde. Clear? In this, the first method is a binary reaction is known as Itard reaction. Itard's reaction. First of all, the toluene, that is benzene, contains CH3 group, that is known as toluene or methyl benzene. This compound react with CrO2Cl2. What is CrO2Cl2? CrO2Cl2 is chromyl chloride. It is a chromyl chloride. So this chromyl chloride in presence of non-polar solvent like that is carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride, so simply we can say this toluene dissolved with the CH2. Clear? And this chromyl chloride, in presence of the chromyl chloride, this toluene converted to brown color complex compound. This toluene converted into a complex compound, and that complex compound is of brown in color. Okay. OCrO2 Cl2H whole twice. This is a brown color complex compound. This is a brown color complex. If we see properly, so see here, if one carbon have the two similar groups, it means it is a type of jam condition. Or jam is also known as alkylidene or the benzylidene. It means it is a part of the benzylidene. It is a part of benzylidene means one carbon have the two similar groups. So that type of carbon is known as alkylidene. That type of carbon is known as the benzylidene. Or simply say it is a jam condition. It is a jam. Clear? So it is a brown color complex compound. This brown color complex compound undergoes hydrolysis in presence of the H ion. And this compound degraded from this side and converted into benzaldehyde. Clear? So simply we can say we can convert toluene or methyl benzene into benzaldehyde by Itard method. Okay, Itard method means the reaction with chromyl chloride in presence of or the solvent behaves as a non-polar condition CH2 और CCl4. या तो हम कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड का यूज कर सकते हैं या फिर हम कार्बन डाई सल्फाइड का यूज कर सकते हैं एज ए सॉल्वेंट की तरीके से. Clear? And this is the part of Itard reaction. The second method for the preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene, that is also the part of the oxidation, but the oxidizing agent is different. Now we used here CrO3, that is chromium trioxide. Clear? Chromium trioxide in presence of acetic anhydride. Okay. So toluene, that is methyl benzene, react with CrO3 or CH3CO whole twice O, that is acetic anhydride, or simply it is known as ethanoic anhydride. It is also known as ethanoic anhydride. Okay, so toluene react with CrO3, that is chromium trioxide, with ethanoic acid. It converts into a compound that contain OCOCH3 whole twice, means the C carbon, that is benzylic carbon, there is a benzylic carbon. Clear? The carbon which is directly attached with the benzene ring is known as benzylic condition. The carbon which is directly attached with benzene ring is known as benzylic condition. So this benzylic carbon contains the two similar groups. CH3COO means acetate condition. Clear? CH3COO means acetate. So it is a diacetate. So this compound is known as benzylidene diacetate. Benzylidene diacetate. Now this benzylidene diacetate also undergoes hydrolysis and convert into benzaldehyde. Clear? So simply we can say toluene easily converted into benzaldehyde by the two methods. One is Itard method and the second is reaction with ethanoic hydride or CrO3. Clear? So we can convert toluene or the methyl benzene into benzaldehyde. Clear? One is the Itard method and second one is this method in which we use CrO3 and chromium trioxide. Third method, or simply we can say the second, is the oxidation condition. Clear? Toluene also convert into benzaldehyde if we take the side chain chlorination. Okay, see here. Now we have the next topic, that is topic number B, that is side chain chlorination. Side chain chlorination. Okay, see here. This is toluene reaction with chlorine in presence of the ultraviolet rays. Clear? So in presence of the ultraviolet rays or HNU, chlorine react on that carbon which behaves as a aliphatic in condition. कभी भी aromatic condition पे आसानी से reaction नहीं होगी. Clear? Ultraviolet rays की presence में reaction कहाँ हो रही है? Aliphatic conditions में. Clear? And the two molecules of the chlorine will be react and they form this compound benzene CHCl2. What is this? This is a benzyl dichloride. This compound is benzyl dichloride. This compound is also known as benzylidene because one carbon has the two similar groups. Clear? So it is a benzyl dichloride or benzylidene dichloride. This further undergoes hydrolysis and convert into benzaldehyde. Clear? So toluene when reacted with chlorine in presence of the HNO or the ultraviolet rays. Side chain chlorination will takes place. The two hydrogen will be substituted by the chlorine atom, and this benzyl dichloride or benzaldehyde dichloride undergoes hydrolysis and converted into benzaldehyde. Clear? And this is the method for the formation of benzaldehyde from toluene or methylbenzene. Now the next and the last method for the preparation of benzaldehyde from aromatic compounds, that is hydrocarbon, that is from benzene. By this method we can easily add CHO group on aromatic carbon chain. Clear? Any one of the aromatic benzene, aromatic ring, we can easily add CHO or simply say formylation compounds. Means formylation. This process is known as a formylation. Clear? Formylation means adding of CHO group. So this is a simply benzene. When benzene is reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid, so simply we can say the gas carbon monoxide and gas hydrochloric, when these two vapors passed in benzene compound, clear, in the benzene solution, clear, actually this benzene solution is present in the etheric condition, मतलब ether में present है, clear. So in the etheric solution, these two gases CO and HCl will passed in benzene compound in presence of Cu2Cl2, cuprous chloride or AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. Clear? So in the presence of AlCl3 or Cu2Cl2, CO and HCl pass in the benzene or aromatic compound. So the aromatic compound convert into aldehyde compounds. Clear? It contain one CHO group. तो अगर हम बेंजीन या बेंजीन के किसी भी डेरिवेटिव पे कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड और HCl की गैस अगर पास कराते हैं क्यूप्रस क्लोराइड और AlCl3 की प्रेजेंस में, तो उस कार्बन की एरोमेटिक रिंग की चेन पे CHO ग्रुप एडेड हो जाएगा, ये सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाएगा H की प्लेस पे, जहां पर भी जाएगा वहां से H रिमूव होगा और सब्स्टिट्यूशन हो जाएगा किसका, CHO ग्रुप का, मींस फॉर्माइलेशन हो गया, फॉर्माइलेटेड फॉर्म पे जाके अटैक कर जाएगा. क्लियर? सो दिस इक्वेशन इज नोन एज Gattermann-Koch. This equation is known as Gattermann. Gattermann-Koch. This equation is known as Gattermann-Koch. Means Gattermann-Koch सेक्शन में क्या है, किसी भी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड पे लाइक दैट बेंजीन या मिथाइलबेंजीन या इथाइलबेंजीन, किसी भी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड पे CO और HCl की अगर रिएक्शंस की जाए इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ CO2Cl2 और AlCl3, तो CHO ग्रुप उस aromatic ring पे substitute हो जाएगा. This reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch. Clear? So we have done a number of chemical reactions in which we prepare benzaldehyde or aliphatic aldehydes. So today we have done Rosenmund reduction, means reaction of acid chloride with PdPSO4. Second one, by the nitriles, by the two methods. Nitriles can be reduced to amines. Clear? Nitriles can be reduced to amines in presence of SnCl2 plus HCl or in presence of Dibal. By the two method, clear, we can simply form firstly imine, 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 and these imine now convert into aldehydes in presence of HIN by the hydrolysis. And after that we used here hydrocarbons, means hydrocarbons can easily convert into aldehydes by the Itard method. Clear? In the Itard method we can say there is a use of the chromyl chloride in presence of the CS2 or the CCl4. In the second one, oxidation of the methylbenzene in presence of CrO3 or acetic anhydride with acetic anhydride. Clear? And the last one is second last one is by the side chain chlorination, and the next and the last topic is this Gattermann-Koch. So these are the some topics that are used for the formation of aldehyde group. Clear? So in the next video we will start the preparation of ketones and the physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Thank you, students.